Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO X109, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications over here. Click on Advanced and click on Permission Manager. Following that, you need to click on one of your device's features, like for example location or context, and tap on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Then select one of those options, allow or deny. I will go with allow, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device context. But you can always just pick any feature and simply click on one of your apps. After that, click on See all Chrome's permissions over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!